In the Customer Services portal, you have access to documents such as customer service receipts, test and inspection reports, and time and material quotations. To view documents for a specific product, go to that product page. You can do this through the search box using parameters such as the installed product number, serial number, customer inventory number, description, or tech ID. You can also use the installed product list from the menu. You can search for a product using any of the filters. Simply click on Installed Product Number, which is the Philips System Identification Number, to open the Installed Product Details page. Open the Documents tab. Select the document type you want to view or download, and specify the day range in which the documents were created. After clicking the Apply button, the last version of the document is visible on the page. However, if you want to see documents for a specific event type, you should add them in the Event Type field. Now you see the last customer service reports for incidents that were created last year for this particular product. You can download one or multiple documents, as well as all documents, with just one click. Select All and click the Download button. In this example, we downloaded the latest version of a document from an Installed Product Details page. This function is also available on the Account, Locations, Contract, and Warranty Details page. To list all versions of the documents, go to the Documents tab of an individual case. By default, the Case Details page displays all documents, so there is no need to apply filters. You can also access documents from the menu bar. This allows you to view and download the documents across multiple objects. Now let's see how to view and download test and inspection results documents that were created in the current year for 3 specific products. Select the installed product in the Select Object field. Then select Test and Inspection Results. Specify the date range, and provide installed product numbers. When you click Apply Filters, you will see all documents matching your search filter. If you want, you can download them all with one click. With the Customer Services portal, we are always there, always on, 24/7.